Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kabir back with another video. And before we even get started, y'all, if you make intros and you make cute little simple intros, please y'all hit me up and make me an intro. I need a new intro. The intro I've been using it since last year, y'all. Nobody has made me an intro or nobody's trying to collaborate. But if you guys are and you're interested, please DM me on Instagram. My Instagram name is the same as my YouTube channel, and so is my other social medias if you guys are interested in following me. But anyways, let's hop right into what this video is really about. Anyways, y'all, I want to say thank you to Wiggins hair for sponsoring this video, y'all. They sent me this bomb 24-inch highlighted wig, y'all. This wig definitely don't give me 24-inch. This wig definitely give me 28-inch because, y'all, that wig touched my butt, and I love the wig. It came out bomb. My sister styled it to a half up, half down. We honestly didn't know what style we wanted to do, but I was like, let's try something new. I never do straight, and I barely ever do half up, half down, so let's try that. At first, we was going to originally do side part straight, but I was like, nah, I always do my hair down. So we tried something different, and y'all, I loved it. The wig was bomb. The lace was okay. I don't really know how I feel about the lace yet because they haven't been that long. But, y'all, overall, I'm loving the wig. I just want to say thank you to them. And if you guys are interested to buy this wig, everything will be in the description box. I got a discount code for y'all because who loves a discount? Everybody. Like, so if you're interested in buying this wig, let them know that Kabir sent you. And I just want to say thank you again to Wiggins hair. I'm not going to talk too much because voiceovers are complicating, y'all. So if I mess up on one word, I will start it over. So anyways, we're gonna hop right into the video. Thank you guys again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and show my hair videos a little bit more love because y'all don't do that enough. Bye.
home. She be paying your bills, buying all of your clothes. And she pay for your phone. You be thinking you own your ancient friends. Did you pick up your kids? She be watching your kids. Who gon' fuck around and find